How to automatically invest with Etrade. In this video, I'm going to show you guys and girls how to automatically invest with Etrade. Sometimes people say, Prince, I forgot to invest. I got busy with life. How can I just put my investing on autopilot with Etrade? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you're now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So in this video, like I stated earlier, we're going to talk about automatically investing, meaning putting your money on autopilot to be invested into an index or a mutual fund. Now, here's the first disclaimer. You can't say buy a particular stock at this time with E-Trade. It doesn't allow that I know of, but it does allow for you to maybe buy an index fund like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or the Dow Jones on a consistent basis. So we're going to do exactly that. You can invest into a particular index every month on autopilot for its minimum of $25 without even worrying about it. All right. So let's get straight into it. So when you log into your E-Trade account, you're going to go to trading. Up under trading, you're going to go to automatic investing. Once you click on that, it says put your money on autopilot. Invest in small amounts now can make a big difference over time with auto investing. You can keep up with recurring investments, no transaction fees, no mutual fund fees. Just start with $25. Hit get started. When you click on get started, it's going to ask you what account you want to choose. You can choose whatever account you want to choose. And if you don't know a mutual fund that you want to do, you can hit find mutual funds now, and you can find one that kind of fits your need. But for this example, I know the S&P 500 index that is provided by Charles Schwab, which is SWPPX. That's the symbol. Sierra, Whiskey, Papa, X-Ray. That's the stock symbol. So we're going to click continue. Now it says initial investment. Like say today I want to invest $5, $10, $20, or whatever the case may be. You're going to type that in, right? So let's say today I want to put in $10. And every month I want to invest $25. Now it says, would you like to invest? It said, I would like to invest my current amount every week. You can do it every week, twice a month, every 3 months, once a year, every 6 months. Let's say if you say every week, I like this fund plan to be used, and I can use which account I want to come from. So you click there, and you click on the account that you want it to come from. Boom. Once you click your account, you're going to click on continue. Once you click that continue button, it's going to take you to review. It's going to make sure you want to read. It makes sure you want to invest into this particular mutual fund for this initial price, recurring every week, every month. You can stop it anytime you want to, too. And you want which account you want it to come from. Once you do that, you click continue. Once you click continue, you can have it come out of your bank account, whatever account you want it to come out of, your brokerage account, your bank account, whatever. You click continue, and every month from here until you stop it, every week you're going to be paying $25 into an index fund, putting your investments on autopilot. That's a way you can put your investing on autopilot via E-Trade. Pretty simple and easy, right? So that's another option. So some people say, I forgot, I didn't have time. That excuse is null and void now. So until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. Peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.